side is so low. That didn't work. All right, folks, well, you can see she is standing back up. It's not where it needs to be, but at least it is standing. What I used was the forks. I lifted this end up a little bit and got on that big old piece of beam right there and a couple other pieces. I got it on an angle. Then I used my toe strap right here, tied it onto here, tied it onto the forks, and kind of lift and just flipped it over. So now what we got to do is manhandle it in and get it in its place. All right, folks, so kind of got it in place, got a fairly level, you can see I got some cement block there, so that's gonna be a little tricky here. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do, but what my plans are is to tie these posts together and put a floor on and put the wood splitter back on top of the floor. That's going to raise it up. And then of course I got a pallet here just to show you what's going to happen, but I'm hoping on the floor I can get some IBCs, cheap IBCs, or I'm going to make a special pallets so that I can just have the the splits fall into that, so I'm trying not to touch them as much. Allow me to stand here. I can look out in the yard. I can look, make sure nobody's coming in the driveway, and I think it feels pretty good. I've got it quasi level right now. I don't know if you saw the last time we were over here and I was splitting with the first time I had it. It was twisted like this, and the rounds kept falling off the lift. It just wasn't as good as it should be. So I want to try to see a little bit more level. Those rounds were pretty slimy to begin with, so it wasn't perfect. But anyhow, we got it done, and so this is what it looks like. So so if you like this type of videos, hey, give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And hit the subscribe button and share with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully the next one will be actually splitting in this new location. Talk to you later.